We're back with another video together. So this is for the future, obviously, because I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but today's video is gonna be our gender reveal. Stop staring at my boob. So if you guys haven't been following, I am currently 16 weeks 6 days. Yeah, because Sunday I'll be 17 weeks, and the baby's pretty big already. So we're gonna find out the baby's gender. What do you think it is, baby?
I think it's a girl.
You're just saying that because I've been saying that it's a girl. But truly, what do you...
I think it's a girl.
Deeply now, you think it's a girl?
No, I think it's a boy.
So, he's unsure, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
I've always had a feeling that it's a girl since I found out I was pregnant. And right then and there, I told you, right? That I think it's a girl. But we'll see what it is. It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl as long as it's healthy. And I could already tell the baby's gonna look like Kim.
Like me?
Yeah, it's gonna look like Kim. I mean, it's obviously gonna have our nose because we both have the same type of nose. Toda caída and shit. Yeah. So, as long as it has my eyes, my big brown eyes.
Big old expressive eyes.
Leave my lashes alone. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the park because my high school best friend is gonna take the pictures.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh God, let's go.
Even though it's gonna be like in an hour or so still. Oh no, half an hour.
Oh yeah, come on, let's go.
So yeah, see you guys at the park. Oh, also, plus it's gonna be graduation pictures too.
Oh.
Even though I'm the only one with the cap and gown.
Why did you bring it? I don't even have mine.
It's graduation pictures. You could wear mine even though it's gonna be short. You could wear mine.
No, that's. Oh my God.
Okay, guys.
On this tree, just kind of lean back, act cool, you know. Foot like this, if you need to be crossing it.
Oh yeah, babe, totally. With the little flowers on the cap.
Yes, those don't exist.
Only in my pictures.
Exactly. A little bit higher. Boom. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let me get a different angle. Right there. Right leg up. Right leg up. There you go. Money. 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we're trying to find a perfect spot for our gender reveal. This is the background. I can't get up. I can't. Hey, wait. Thank you, baby. Say hi, Daniel. Where are you? Oh. This is my high school best friend. From like middle school to high school. So yeah. He's my photographer today.
Yeah, we're getting some amazing photos, so you guys will see them shortly.
I'll have his photography Instagram right here.
Give it a like, follow. I'm gonna use a different lens because
What? Right here?
Yeah, because we're trying to have that fountain in the background. Okay, I'm gonna kneel on this piece of grass right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Am I standing or?
Yeah, you're standing. And you're basically 2 hands underneath the belly, and you're gonna be smiling, not at me, but at him.
Am I looking at him?
Yeah. 1 second. Not ready. But yeah, you can talk to the baby.
Oh, my hair's on the way.
Can't wait to meet her. Or him, you don't know.
Go find out.
There you go.
No, that's not about me. I know, I better.
Keep that up. Keep that up. Touch her hand with your left. Yeah, okay, yeah. Good. Look. Good. That's adorable.
So about yellow over it. She was kissing the belly part.
Well, that's going to be the... Oh, never mind. I was going to say that's the umbilical part. But for the baby it is.
Yeah, because it's
Not for
attached
you.
to the belly part.
Yeah. Okay. You can have... You want some duckies? We're going to be facing more towards the side.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Got it?
This is so exciting.
Oh shit.
You guys don't know what the color is, right?
No.
When would you guys know?
Now?
Jump up, jump up. Ah, there you go. That's amazing. Now you guys turn around and hold it. Yeah, look at the camera, guys. Yeah. Someone has a baby boy.
I knew it.
Aww, that is adorable. Yes, love it, guys.
Boy. You got your boy.
Jonathan
You
Jr.
got Nathan.
You got Nathan.
Yeah, Nathan.
Oh, you guys already have a name?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And then boom!
Yeah.
All right. Okay, respect.
I was right. Jordan. Don't breathe it. I won't breathe it either.
Ah, shit. Chiquita. You got your boy, babe.
Yeah. Ow, 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 that burns. That burns. It burns.
That's your boy.
Okay, how do I put this out now?
I turn it off. Well, babe, you got your boy.
I told you.
Everyone was wrong.
Everyone was wrong.
Right?
I was wrong.
And I was right.
My gut instinct wasn't right.
I was right.
Like always. We better get the girl next time.
Okay.
How do you feel, Daniel, being in this experience?
It's actually pretty cool. I've never been a part of this. So, by all means, you know, it's something to witness.
Yeah.
And to see his reaction was kind of priceless. So, yeah, it's definitely worth it.
Baby boy.
It's a boy.
Now I need to learn how to take care of a boy.
Yes.
Because I already knew how to take care of a girl, because of Nora.
Boys will be boys.
You're simple and destructive. Simply destructive.
Yeah. Alright, well, it's a
Well,
boy.
at least you guys have a boy, and then he can protect
The girl.
the girl.
Like my brother did with me.
Yes.
And you with your sister.
It all works out.
Yeah. So,
So,
it's a boy.
I told you.
Yes.
I told you. I was right. I was right. I was right.
I am a little sad because I didn't get my girl. But either way, I'm happy. We made a baby. And the baby looks healthy on the ultrasound. Stop staring at my boobs.
I'm staring at the letter that you're gonna open.
It's not later. It's gender reveal ultrasound pictures. It's a boy.
Look at the Billy Wingy.
The bilinguini.
Billy Wingy.
Little boy. Little man.
Boy, oh boy. Little man.
We already have the name. Do you want to tell them the name now or?
Nathan. Nathan Albert Einstein Jr. Paiz.
It's not Einstein. But yeah, it's Nathan Albert.
Paiz.
Albert is his middle name, which is his dad's name as well, but meh.
That's a different story.
Yes.
For
So
another time.
for another time. You already said that because if you already said that, then that means that we're going to tell them the story.
Aw,
Yeah. So
fine.
like he said, it'll be another story for another time,
But I didn't say when.
but it's going to be another time. And Nathan, because I wanted to name him Jonathan, like him, but he didn't want a junior, so he just got like the short, like the last part of your name,
Yeah, a part of my name. Nathan.
just Nathan. So it's Nathan Albert Paiz Ruiz.
Paiz Ruiz.
Oh, Ruiz.
Paiz
Paiz.
Ruiz Mesa Jr. Paiz Ruiz Mesa Jr.
So yeah, little baby coming December, or probably sooner, who knows. So yeah,
NAP. The acronyms are NAP. Nathan Albert Paiz. NAP.
or NAR.
NARP.
NARP.
NARP. NARP.
So yeah, did you do the numerology for him for his due date?
I have to do that. I'm gonna do that.
Yes. If you don't know what numerology is, you want to explain it?
Oh gosh, I don't even know how to explain it.
For
still.
me, it's just like astrology, but with numbers. Technically.
Technically.
So yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog already because we're gonna spend some time before he has to head back home.
Oh, I wanna stay.
No wonder Max hasn't been so attached to me. Well,
I
he's still.
told
Well,
ya.
he is attached to me, but not as much as he used to.
I told you.
Cause he sends another male presence in me.
Because there's something protecting
Literally, in me.
you. In me.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this gender reveal vlog.
It was awesome.
Yeah. You happy with your baby boy?
Yeah. Another one? Another one. Brothers.
No, we're gonna have a girl next.
Make brothers.
We're gonna have a girl next.
Okay.
Mickey.
You make me the happiest.
Good. You better.
You better.
Bye.